Thakral has been listed on SGX since 1995. That's nearly 30 years. It started out in supply chain management, partnering with big names like Panasonic, Sharp, Creative, and Casio. But times changed, the environment got tougher. Thakral had to pivot again and again. As confidence faded, the stock drifted under the radar until recently. Its revenue bottomed out in 2020 and has been growing steadily since. After a year of pivoting quietly, the stock has been rallying hard. What changed? The usual disclaimer before we continue. Thakral business is split into two main segments, investment and lifestyle. The key investment is a 31.7% stake in GemLife, an Australian retirement resort developer. It also owns real estate in Japan and a piece of land in India. In lifestyle, it operates in beauty and fragrance, distributes DJI drones, and Nespresso in India. Revenue growth is largely driven by lifestyle segment, but that's not the full story. On 21st May, it was reported that GemLife intends to IPO with a valuation of $2 billion. They seem serious. Bankers are meeting fund manager and conducting a non-deal roadshow. A book build is planned for June with an IPO in July. While this sounds promising, nothing is guaranteed. They call it off in 2022 despite strong interest. The number of occupied homes has been growing steadily. GemLife target is 6,500 homes by 2030, 2.5 times the current number. This represents a significant growth potential. At the recent AGM, the CEO confirmed strong demand. At one point, they paused sales to focus on delivering new homes. Another investment, Beauty Tech, where Thakral owns 9.4%, is also planning an IPO with a rumored valuation of around £350 million. Let's break down the number. Based on Thakral ownership stakes and rumored valuation, its stakes in GemLife and Beauty Tech are worth approximately $583 million. Even after the recent rally, that's about 3 times Thakral's current market cap. That's not counting its other businesses. Thakral trades at about 6.6 times trailing 12-month earnings. Let's take a closer look at its other businesses and assets. It owns 21 acres of land in a city next to the Indian capital. The CEO described it as a nice diamond to be cut, a valuable asset with strong potential. Thakral is the exclusive distributor of DJI drones in South Asia. It also has 2 drone-related companies focusing on enterprise and agriculture use. It is quite surprising that a market leader like DJI would entrust South Asia distribution to a Singapore company, suggesting that Thakral has unique strength, DJI value in the region. I describe Thakral as a hidden gem with hidden gems. It is not easy to analyze. You need to deep dive into its many businesses and investment to truly understand its earning and hidden value. Thakral has been resilient, quietly transformed itself over the years into what it is today. This kind of business rewards investors who are curious, open-minded, and willing to do the homework early. But the risks remain. Will the IPO happen? Will the valuation hold up? On the flip side, does the current share price still offer a good margin of safety? You have to weigh the risk and reward for yourself. Also note, it is a small cap with low liquidity. As always, do your own research. If you want more deep dive into hidden gems like Thakral, hit subscribe and stay tuned.